So we're gonna get started. We're gonna be making cream cheese chicken chili. We're gonna go ahead and turn the crock pot on high. And we're gonna add 2 whole chicken breasts. This recipe is so easy, guys, and so good. And then we're gonna add the corn, not drained. And we're gonna add the beans, drained. We're gonna add Rotel, undrained. And then we're gonna add, if I can get it while recording, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, however you say that. And then 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and then your ranch seasoning, and then your sour cream. And that's it. I'm going to be leaving it on high for about 4 hours. You can cook it on low for 6 hours if you're leaving it while you go to work or something. But yeah, that's it. I'll show you guys the result when it's all ready. So it's been about 2 hours and this is how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and take the chicken out and shred it using these 2 forks.